Welcome back, students. In today's English session, we will learn a grammar concept, parts of speech. What do you mean by parts of speech? Parts of speech are nothing but category of words or class of words or the different words that we use in English or while making sentences. In English, there are 8 parts of speech. In today's session, we will learn 4 parts of speech and remaining 4 parts of speech we will be learning in our next session. The first part of speech is noun. Noun is name of a person, place, animal, thing. Now let us understand it through examples. India is my country. In this sentence, the word India is the name of a country. I have a pet dog named Joy. Here, dog is an animal and name of the dog is Joy. Soham loves reading books. In this sentence, Soham is the name of a person and he loves reading what? Books. So, in this examples, the words India, country, dog, joy, Soham and books, these words are called noun. Now, the next part of speech is verb. Words that show some action. When any part of your body is doing some kind of activity or is working, such words are called as verbs. Let us try to understand it through examples. Write a poem. In this sentence, the action is of writing. He eats lots of chocolates. Here, the action is eating. I think we will win. In this sentence, the action is think and win. So, the words that show some action are called as verbs. The next part of speech is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes noun or pronoun. When we are talking something or whatever we talk about a noun or a pronoun, those words are called adjectives. Let us see it through examples. Radha is a beautiful girl. Here, about whom are we talking? We are talking about Radha. So Radha is the noun in the sentence. And what are we talking about her? That she is beautiful. So here, beautiful becomes the adjective. The flowers are fresh. Now in this sentence, we are talking about the flowers. So here, the flowers become noun. And what are we talking about them? That those flowers or the flowers are fresh. So fresh becomes an adjective. His voice is sweet. Now here we are talking about him. Here his becomes the pronoun. And what are we talking about him? That he has a sweet voice. So here the adjective becomes sweet. The next part of speech is an adverb. A word that describes the verb or the action. The way an adjective describes a noun, adverb describes a verb. Let us see through examples. Rishi ran quickly to help her. In this sentence, we are talking about Rishi. What kind of action is he doing? He is acting or he is running over here. And how is he running? He is running quickly. So here, quickly becomes the adverb. The girls were talking slowly. Again in this sentence, we are talking about those girls. And we are talking or we are saying that these girls are talking. And how are they talking? They are talking slowly. So here, slowly becomes the adverb. In our third sentence, there were 3 windows operating simultaneously. Here we are talking about three windows. The action of these windows is operating. And how are they operating? They are operating simultaneously. So these are the four parts of speech. Noun, which is name of a person, place, animal, thing. Verb, words that show some action. Adjective, a word that describes noun or pronoun. And an adverb, a word that describes the verb or the action. I hope students you have understood these four parts of speech. Thank you.